In this video, let's see how to add new role and assign permissions for a new role. In the navigation bar, click on Users. In the Users section, select Roles and Permissions. You can see the existing roles in this page. Enter the role name in the Enter Role Name field. Click the Add Role button to add the new role. The new role has been added to Easify. To configure permissions for this role, click on Set Permissions next to the role. You have the ability to select permissions for each user role, allowing you to decide which features they can access. Once you are done, click the Save button to save permissions. That's all about adding a new role and permission in Easify. Thank you for watching.